ಅದು ಚಿನ್ನ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಪ್ಲಾಟಿನಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಜಾಯ್ ಆಲುಕಾಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಈ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನ ಹಂಚಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ.
Very grateful that I've been invited here, and I've been part of Joya Lucas since last year. It's been beautiful becoming a part of Joya Lucas, and I get to see all the beautiful collection that they have in different states. And I can tell you that in every state they have different collection. Like every shop that you go to, the store will have a different collection from what you're seeing here right now, so which is very unique. I feel like the other day I was in Hyderabad Charminar, and the collection there was completely different from what I can see here. So that is something very unique that I've seen. With segment, I think everything. I am in love with the diamond collection that Joya Lucas have. As you can see, I'm wearing one of the pieces. So yeah, I think the diamonds for sure.
Okay, see, as our tagline, it's as our tagline itself says, we are the world's favorite jeweler because we always prefer, the uniqueness of our collections. And we have, as I told earlier, we have collections from different parts of the world. So we know the preference of the customers since years who are a part of us. So we take care, especially our purchase department takes care to cater them, and not only the premium customers or any segments. We have collections for all segment peoples. Yeah, that's the uniqueness I would say. I have already said that because now we have almost 200 stores in 12 countries, and in this financial year itself, we are planning for more 40 stores and 14 countries. So we are in a span of expansion. Yeah, so as you all know, gold is a safe haven, and especially now the rates are going up like anything. But still, it's the best investment for the people. So, and the love for gold never ends. So it's the especially we are running a all gold exchange offer now. So it's the best time to exchange your all gold and buy new jewelries. So we have 23 outlets as of now in Karnataka, and our latest store is in Rajajinagar, which we have opened in April. So yes, we are planning for more 10 stores in Karnataka, just in Karnataka, because we are getting a good response from the people of Karnataka. So we can't forget their love towards gold. So yes, in this financial year itself, more 10 stores will be opened in Karnataka.
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಬಾರಿ ಅವ್ರು 2 ಸಲ ಅವರು ಲೈಕ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಶೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ 3rd ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ದೇರ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ನ. ಹೌದು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫರ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ದೆನ್ 1 lakh ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ 1 ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.